AIE. Your attention please. Train number 16204 Tirupati, Kandil Central, Garudaspri Express will arrive shortly on platform number 1.
Let us see our grandpa's life history. The Indian locomotive class VAM4 is a class of AC electric locomotive that was developed by CLW Shet, which is located in West Bengal in 1970s. VAM4 W stands for wide gauge or broad gauge, A stands for AC electric locomotive, M stands for mixed traffic engine. The history of VAM4 begins in early of 1970s with the aim of addressing the shortcomings of the previous class VAM1 and VAG 1 to 4 classes and remove all steam locomotives from Indian Railways. VAM1 is not a great successor as some of their advanced features were unsuitable for Indian conditions. So the designers at RDSOO and CLW decided to change the conditions of the locomotive, like air brake for locomotive and vacuum brakes for train are fitted in this locomotive. MU operation made possible up to 4 units. MU means multiple unit train operation. Production of this locomotive was started in 1970s. The first VAM4 locomotive is 20400 and exactly 500 VAM4 locomotives were built in 13 years. A single VAM4 can generally hold up to a 24 coach passenger train. This class proved a successful by its ruggedness, suitable for Indian conditions, and simplicity of maintenance. The VAM4 is one of the most successful locomotive of Indian Railways, having served both passenger and freight trains over 50 years. This class provided a basic design for other locomotives like WCAM1, WAG5A and WCG2 and some other VAP models. I think the VAP model is WAP1. Now VAM4 locomotives are being rapidly scrapped and have been fully withdrawn from mainline duties. This loco class has been seen in many variations as its workshops and sheds have carried out their own enhancement or modification to the basic loco design. A beautiful honk by VAM4P.
Time to start.
Signal exchange between loco pilot and guard. Two one two three four VAM4P. The train name is Geetanjali Express.
Second coach onwards.
Loco code indicates a mixed use, but most of VAM4s is ended up in hauling a passenger train. VAM4 locos have nicknames like Anant, Rajadaba, Surabhi, Navachetna, Sukhsagar, Garuda, and Navin. The last locomotive 21399 Anant and production ended in August 3, 1983. These locomotives can seen in all over India, but not now. Maximum speed of this locomotive is 110 km per hour. In this locomotive, AM12 pantographs are used. 21320 VAM4 Garuda is printed at Rail Sauda, headquarters of South Western Railway in Hubli. I think 16 VAM4 locomotives are now using for shunting duties in Indian Railways. This locomotive's gear ratio is 15:62. Now these locomotives are retired from Indian Railways and taking lift after serving for Indian people and railways. This loco had a separate fan base. All rail fans will miss this loco. The upcoming generation should remember this locomotive's work. The VAM4 being the legendary loco always. Thanks for watching.